Gentlemen, it's 9:12 Central Standard Time here in Oklahoma area on January 11, 2022, and we are looking at spaceweatherlive.com at the ENLIL prediction model. And as you can see, they have finally caught up and showed that second CME slowly catching up. Well, it's about time, but it doesn't quite seem to catch right up to the first one like it shows over on European Space Agency. But when we scroll up a little bit and we look at the prediction center here, it doesn't really show much for here, except we're just going to be getting blasted here on the 30th. This is kind of an interesting model. I don't know why they don't show the side pops. Ooh, man, look at that. We definitely got a hammering out of that one. But let's go check out European Space Agency real quick. And on it, boop, there we are. Again, Euphoria, ironic. And it clearly shows two of them separate. Oh, maybe even a third one here behind it. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Not really. But just for giggles, well, let's see if it'll play for us. There we go. Oh yeah, there might have been a third one behind it. But the second one did catch up to the first, and it did spread out real nice. But it doesn't make sense why we're getting hit with that, does it? Or by this one? I don't know. Seems kind of hinky, in my opinion. But hey, who am I, right? I don't know that much. We do have a lot of interesting stuff going on over here on Space Weather Prediction Center. We're looking at LASCO C2 and LASCO C3. Let me show you some fun stuff here, folks. We actually have quite a few anomalies. We'll actually get over to seeds as well. I don't want to say anomalies, but we got two different shots of our bird UFOs. Our warbirds of prey. And actually, I believe we covered that one. There's one here this morning, there's one here, and then there's another one up here. But, whoop. Oh, sorry, there was a TR3B right here, which is the triangle. That is ours, by the way. Oh, let's see, where is he at? We'll get to him. Oh, there he is. There's our little Klingon warbird of prey, if you will. Clearly see him, see the head, the wings, and the tail, and his little fla-la-la-la coming out behind him. It's kind of nice. I like getting good pictures of him. And we had, look at that, another eruption. Wait a minute. When he went by, did he cause that? Oh, I don't know. Wouldn't surprise me. And as he's going, there actually are quite a few. If you kind of zoom in on all of them, I'm not going to go through all that tonight. We're going to get through this one pretty quick. I got to produce another video. I found something interesting. Oh, there's our second one. Hey, buddy. We can clearly see the head, the wings, and the tail. Can't really see much of the trail behind him. It almost looks like he shot those out. Looks like those are going towards the sun, which is very interesting, in my opinion. Uh-oh. You guys see that? Borg cube. Right there. There he is, bending light. If you look all over here, you can see all the little lines and stuff that he's creating. Now, the cool thing is that, I don't know if it's on this, I might be able to only see it on seeds. I haven't actually tried to look on it here, but on seeds, we can actually see a Borg cube get right in the way, right behind the disc, and he's hiding. Oh, there's another TR3B right here. Let me try and see if I can find it behind the disc here. I don't know if I can. Oh, yep, there he is. Right here. Borg cube. Hiding right on this side of the disc. See him? We can see him on seeds too, because seeds is really nice and they highlight it by trying to gray it out. Like, hello. Like, we ain't that stupid. At least I'm not. Whoop. Back this guy up here. Actually, no. We'll go forward because we were already here. We actually had some other really interesting photos. There's that beam going from Venus right to this arm again, which is really weird. Oh, look. There's one of our little bird friends right there. Little warbirds of prey. But this one is what's interesting. Look at this. We only get a part of the Borg cube? I don't know what's happening there. I've never seen a little sliver like that. But, hey. First time for everything, right, folks? And we have another one that's up by Venus. And he's actually going, looks like he's going, heading south, heading down. Where's he at? Well, there's a good one there. That one's more of your typical saucer shape. Whoop! Sorry about that. My bad. My apologies. Oh, it looks like we had a little freeze up there. Yep, we did have a freeze. You guys see that? This side of the screen doesn't move, and this side does. I don't know why. See that? It's freezing. I can't spot him. They're getting pretty good at this. But not good enough because I still pay attention. Oh, and we've got another UFO here. I think, or spacecraft of some sort. Just not sure what kind it is. It's a little far away. Uh-oh. Another Borg cube. He's right here. How you doing, buddy? And, oh, come on. There he is. Right there by Venus. See him? With his little fla-la-la. Not sure what kind it is, but there's definitely one there. There's no denying that. It's pretty interesting one. I haven't seen that something like that before. But let's go check out seeds really quick. And here we are at seeds. We're going to kind of skim through this now. Pay attention to how much they blot stuff out over here. They are trying to cover up stuff so bad. This is why they're going to lose. Everything's supposed to be in our face and open, not hiding anything. And they are hiding. Now the people are waking up and seeing the truth. They're trying to hide stuff. And yeah, that goes against the laws of the universe. We obviously have something coming out right here, and we can see it right here. So we'll just kind of, oop, come on. So we can see it right here. The lump is right here, and then over here, it's right here. There is some kind of a planetary object being pushed off. That's one. But wait, there's more. Off the left side, we actually have a kind of a two-part pop. It's kind of interesting. I don't know what they're blocking here, but here's our little winged friend, and here they put a nice little gray blotch over it to try and block it out. They don't want us to see that. Now here's where it gets fun. Look at all those gray blotches. Like, what are they going on about? Well, apparently we can see it on the black and white ink filter, but not in the red. Look at him covering it up. Man. Oh, yeah. There it is. See the nice little gray blotch they put here? That's where he is right here. They're covering up the Borg cube. They don't want us to see it. Oh, they're funny. Right, come on, guys. And we did have a couple other things kind of pop up. It's harder to see them, so I'm not going to really make a big deal about it. But let's go check out stereo ahead. We are looking at stereo ahead, and we can clearly see right here that there is something right here. Nice and round, and we come over here, and we can see them right here. And these almost look like planets, don't they? I'm going to drag this over so that when I advance one, you can see that, oh look, the big object is there, but now there's like 1, 2, 3 smaller ones right with it. Let's go again. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a minute. Nemesis has 7 planets. And what is this? Is this a spaceship, a mothership or something? What do they call that that satellite? The Black Knight satellite? I don't know. Pretty interesting stuff though. They don't really give us a whole lot more after that. It kind of gets pushed out by the plasma, so it pretty much blurs. Whoa, hello. Pretty much blurs it out. We also got this, our little friend here. Of course, they've got him blurred out over here. There's something right here, and of course, they've got it blurred out right here. But we've all got our eyes open, and we'll keep them open. I'm about to do another video and show you guys some stuff I found over in Australia. Yeah, buddy. You guys have a good one. Stay safe. Eyes open. Nothing to fear. Love is the only way forward. Please like, share, and subscribe so we can bring awareness to what's going on in space. Thank you guys. Bye.